iOS 18.3.1 How to Use Data Recovery Tool on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your data on your iPhone using Apple's data recovery tool. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open any browser and go to iCloud.com. Once you're on the site, sign in with your Apple ID. In my case, I'm already signed in, so it's recognizing me and prompting a Face ID scan. After signing in, wait for the page to load. Here you'll see different options like Drive, Photos, Mail, and more. You can click on Photos to recover any images stored in your iCloud account. Now for a more detailed recovery. Tap here on this icon. A pop-down menu will appear. Tap on Data Recovery. Here you'll find multiple options to restore files, bookmarks, calendar events, and even contacts. Select that date, and your contacts will be restored. This method works on iOS 16, 15, 14, 13, and even iOS 18.3 or 18.3.1. It's a simple and effective way to recover lost data. That's all for the video. If this helped, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.